Welcome to this Christmas card tutorial. First, write any festive on the card. Trace the writing so that we can fill the masking fluid. It can avoid the areas we paint on. Then we can add some stars or snowflakes as ornaments. Fill this masking fluid and let it dry. We press the paper for playing with wet on wet. We can tape the edges if the paper rubs. We are using methylated. It is a bright and dark color. If you use more water, it appears bright and otherwise. Now play with the colors and let the paper dry. Finally, remove the masking fluid and here is your Christmas card.